Hello, everyone. My friends, welcome to my YouTube channel called Evolution of Hollywood. One of the most beloved family shows of the 90s. Step by Step was the epitome of fun and laughter. As two different families came together, it was a mess. Cody's hilarious antics, JT's maverick behavior, Dana's clever outbursts, and Carol and Frank's sweetness with their kids kept viewers glued to the screen. So, what happened to the actors who made those unforgettable moments happen? Let's discover them. Number 6. Christopher Castile. Christopher Castile played Mark Foster, the youngest son of Frank and Carol Lambert in Step by Step.
What would you like to drink? Orange juice or hello?
Mark stood out in the series as an intelligent, somewhat shy, and nerdy boy who was very loyal to his family. Mark, who stood out with his interest in technology and scientific subjects, was usually not taken seriously by his older brothers and sisters. However, he managed to win the hearts of the viewers with his funny dialogues and sweet demeanor. Christopher Castile quit acting for good shortly after the end of Step by Step. Today, at the age of 44, he teaches history and mentors young people as a high school teacher in Southern California. Number 5. Sasha Mitchell. Sasha Mitchell played the character of Cody Lambert in Step by Step. Cody came into the story as Frank Lambert's nephew and became one of the show's most beloved characters. Cody was a typical surfer dude character, winning the hearts of both the family and the audience with his laid-back demeanor, funny jokes, and somewhat naive nature.
Okay, cool it! Don't food around like a bunch of 6-year-olds. And in Carol's kitchen.
The character's energetic, friendly, and kind-hearted personality was an important addition to the comedic elements of the series. Cody lived in the van in the Lambert Foster family's backyard and often spiced things up with his unusual lifestyle. Mitchell gained a large fan base with his witty demeanor and funny dialogues unique to Cody's character. Mitchell continued to act from time to time in his career after Step by Step, but some problems in his personal life caused him to take a career break. In the 1990s, Mitchell faced domestic violence allegations and legal problems. These processes damaged her career and attracted media attention. Mitchell, who is 57 years old today, attaches great importance to spending time with her 4 children. Number 4. Brandon Call. Brandon Call played the character J.T. Lambert, the son of Frank Lambert, in Step by Step. J.T. was a classic young man, a bit lazy but lovable and funny. As Frank's son from his first marriage, he was part of a blended family structure and struggled to fit in with his new half-siblings.
Guess what? I got a new job today.
That's great.
After Step by Step, Brandon Call decided to give up acting and was not seen much in this field. His move away from Hollywood was motivated by both personal choice and some difficulties he experienced. In 1996, Call experienced a tragic event. While traveling in his car in Los Angeles, he was shot during a road dispute. Fortunately, he survived despite his injuries, but the incident marked a major turning point in his life and contributed to his retreat from his career. Now 48 years old, Brandon Call has focused on spending time with his family after his acting career and has begun to lead a life away from the media. Number 3. Suzanne Somers. Suzanne Somers played Carol Foster Lambert in Step by Step. As a widowed mother with 3 children, Carol was suddenly married to Frank Lambert and was at the center of a complex but comical domestic arrangement that resulted from the merger of 2 families. As a strong, loving, and understanding mother, Carol endeared herself to audiences through her harmonious and funny relationship with Frank. As a beauty salon owner, Carol presented viewers with a modern mother figure as she struggled to balance her business success with her commitment to her family. At the same time, her efforts to strengthen her bonds with her stepchildren were filled with warm stories that emphasized the importance of family unity. After Step by Step, Suzanne Somers maintained an active career in both acting and business. She also continued to make a name for herself with her books and initiatives in the field of health and lifestyle. However, Summers was diagnosed with stage 2 breast cancer in 2000, but she beat the disease and passed away on October 15, 2023 in Palm Springs, California, a day before her 77th birthday due to a recurrence of cancer. Number 2. Patrick Duffy. Patrick Duffy played the character Frank Lambert in Step by Step. As a widowed father of 3 children, Frank is suddenly married to Carol Foster and becomes part of a complex and entertaining dynamic created by the merger of 2 families.
French toast.
Hey, Rich, hey, this is my place.
As a witty, hardworking, and loving father figure, Frank won the hearts of viewers with his harmonious relationship with Carol and his understanding of his stepchildren. As Frank Lambert pursued his career as a construction company owner, he strived to provide for his family and be a model father to his children. In the series, he gave the audience unforgettable moments with his romantic and funny moments with Carol, his developing relationship with his stepchildren, and his funny behavior that often got him into trouble. Patrick Duffy continued his acting career after Step by Step and has also been busy with writing and personal projects. Patrick Duffy continued to be active in the world of television. Now 75 years old, Patrick Duffy has devoted himself more to his family and a peaceful lifestyle. Number 1. Stacy Keenan. Stacy Keenan played the character Dana Foster on Step by Step. Dana was the eldest daughter of Carol Foster and one of the most intelligent, ambitious, and independent members of the family. An accomplished student, Dana was often noted for her feminist views and was often at odds with the more playful and reckless members of the family.
Did not steal Michael from Karen. He's not her boyfriend.
In particular, her playful and contentious relationship with Frank's son, J.T. Lambert, became one of the show's comic dynamics.
Sick.
I hate you.
Are you as hot as I am?
Hotter.
Dana Foster demonstrated a strong character arc in Step by Step as she struggled to balance her family and personal goals. Her humorous dialogue and sharp wit made her one of the audience's favorite characters. After Step by Step ended, Stacy Keenan continued her acting career but appeared less frequently between projects. After ending her acting career, Keenan decided to pursue a career in law. After graduating from Southwestern Law School, she obtained her law license and began working as an attorney in California. Now, 49 years old, Stacy Keenan prefers to keep her private life largely out of the public eye. My friends, thank you very much for watching my video so far. See you in the next video.